Working in the oil and gas, power, and petrochemical industries, Destec has been trading globally for over 50 years and are market leaders in high-pressure containment solutions through design, engineering, and the manufacturing of clamp connectors, compact flanges, single-bolt subsea pipe connectors, door enclosures, seal rings, and boiler inspection caps. Destec manufacture a range of connectors that are Lloyd's type approved with extensive qualification testing, including PR2 and Pressure Bend testing. Engineered for high-pressure applications, this solution ensures exceptional leak tightness, even in extreme environments, from high temperatures down to cryogenic levels. At our Lincolnshire Technology Centre, we have a wide range of CNC machines, including lathes, VBMs, turning centres, milling machines, and milling centres. Our experienced design team can produce bespoke connectors and seals for all solutions and projects. Working to ISO 9001 assures our clients the best of British quality and design, with full traceability of all materials and conformance with exacting standards backed up with the very latest technology. The inspection department carries out a wide range of specialist services, including non-destructive evaluation and testing, CMM measurement, and laser metrology. We also provide specialist on-site machining services and expertise to assist a variety of industries. This includes flange facing, portable machining, CNC milling, bolt tensioning, laser metrology, line boring, inspection services, and much more. Using our own designed portable machines, we can carry out specialist work overseas, including regenerator and reactor vessel head removal. With expertise across water, power generation, offshore, and oil and gas, we deliver reliable global services backed by years of experience and outstanding aftermarket support. You can count on us for unparalleled quality and attention to detail every step of the way. Destec. Excellence in engineering.